Hey, is it snowing?
It's snowing.
Here we go.
Sorry, my boots are not holding the blade well.
Powder feels good. Just cruise. Woo! Dude, it's so soft. You alright?
I'm good.
Epic powder. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Shredded. The powder. Down the middle or what?
Either one left.
Or wherever Dad wants to go.
Go that way? Alright, let's roll.
Let's catch that lift, I guess.
Where are you guys going?
Which one? Yeah. How was that?
That was really soft.
Yeah. Conditions are gnarly today. Meet you at McCoy. I can't see. Yeah. Oh man, this is sick. Where'd they go? Oh, they're right there. Feels so smooth. The fresh powder. I might be able to hear it. Oh, there's Skyler. Woo! Are we going on another lift or to the lodge? Huh? What? Lift, lift, lift. You sure? How many runs have you done, Skyler?
That was my first one. I just got out here.
Alright. I need to be next with Anita Baker in the stage deck. Take it to the internet and I'll take it there. And if my uncle Lemaine knew better, he would kill me if I didn't make it. Now I'm possessed by a spirit and they can't take it. Off the car to see it. I'm gonna roll the tree proud. I ain't gonna take my hard work with Lil Wayne route. with me. If that money got me, if a crash dummy, if ever got my feet, burning the ones who love me. Man, you got enough to see. Young people live it.
Yeah, guys.
I'll be honest with you, I just don't.
Woo! Gil, say what's up? Woo! Tyler.
Yeah.
Well, just if we can stay up on the mountain and follow the moon, where we should be able to get.
All right, listen to the
We
man.
should be able to get to our destination sooner or later. Look at this. Look at this sign right here. Right now we're riding the lift. We should be able to come down. Maybe get on another lift.
What are we doing?
Oh, I dropped my. There goes my glove. Oh!
That guy who had the white wallet.
I remember that.
There's a white wallet. You guys warm? I'm warm.
I'm warm. My neck's a little cold because this thing's small.
Look at these groms shredding. Woo! Woo!